pag nanawagan kayo ng BBM resign, dapat sabihin ninyo kung bakit.
The Vice President also clarified her remarks where she drew a comparison between democracy icon Ninoy Aquino and her father.
Binabasehan lang natin is kung ano yung nangyari noon. Nakita naman natin yung nangyari noon. Hindi naman na mabura kung ano yung nangyari sa kasaysayan. At ito ay nagpapakita kung ano yung kapasidad or capacity nila to do these kinds of things, including that extraordinary rendition where they took the former president from Philippine soil and brought him to The Hague. Hindi naman si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang nagsasabi na magiging Ninoy siya, Aquino. Ang nagsabi nun ako at hindi si Pangulong Duterte.